Oh, the double.
Oh man. Watch out!
Oh no, I don't have any
Watch
weapons.
out! You're dead.
Nope, nope. I get. Oh, the god pistol.
Gun.
The guard gun!
Oh! What a shot. Oh my
The
god.
recoil killed you there.
Ooh.
Crap. I tried. That sucks.
Oof. Okay.
What?
I'm just gonna. Oh, yep. There's the XP.
What is
My shield did
doing?
nothing. Hey, Deagle's better than that gun. Shoot the ice. It'll crush him. He's gonna die. Or
Leave me
just
alone.
get hurt. Are you using a controller?
Wait.
Wait, what the?
Hold up.
What's happening?
Oh yes, the one shot.
I'm still alive.
Why
Oh.
not? Are you using a freaking controller?
No, I'm not using a controller.
You aim so slow.
Come on, come on.
No!
I don't
Yes.
know why.
I didn't even kill you through the laser. It just survived.
Truce?
Oh
Oh
no.
god. Oh god.
Nope.
Yep.
Oh, he one-shotted me. I thought I could escape in time. I'm so bad at this game.
Wait, what? We died at the same time. This
No.
game is amazing.
Zaxby died a millisecond
There-
earlier.
no!
Or later, sorry.
Oh shit. Right on, don't do this.
What am I doing? No,
Whoa.
I'm dying. No, don't do this.
Oh,
Don't kill me.
Oh, I'm trying to help you!
oh. Oh, the double.
Oh man. Watch out!
Oh no, I don't have any
Watch
weapons.
out! You're dead.
Nope, nope. I get. Oh, the god pistol.
Gun.
Oh no.
The gun!
Oh! What a shot. Holy sh... I just went through puberty for like a third time there. Anybody hear that? Ah, what a shot.
Wait, I have something. Wait, what? I'm dead?
Yep.
Okay.
Oh my god. Oh, right
What's
dog.
happening?
Right dog.
Yes, sir.
The sword is better. The sword is better.
Go. Oh shit.
Oh.
Hey, God pistol.
Oh.
It's not a one shot, by the way.
Oh, I missed it.
And you lost your sword too.
And
And you
it
picked
was
it
a problem.
No, 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 no.
What? You just filled with him? Okay, whatever.
Oh no.
Jump, bro. You got
Nope,
the
nope,
jump.
nope, nope. Oh no. Well.
You can
The
jump. Bro.
guns are just dancing right there.
You're dead.
No, I got
Or
this.
else you can-
No!
I got this. Jumps off the map.
I know that.
Damn it! I thought I could last.
What I do, so.
Wait. Rain?
Don't do it!
Oh, no, no. Zaxby, chill, chill, chill.
I have ice feet. I will do damage with them. Ow! Ow!
Oh, no, 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 no.
No!
Oh. What?
Oh
my god. Zaxby is actually insane. He just... I don't know what he did, but he just like one-shot killed me somehow. That's GG.
Oh!
No, 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 no.
No, 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 no,
No, no, no.
no, no, no.
No! Oh, that last blast killed me. Damn it.
No!
Oh, wow.
That
One for Right
little
Dog.
piece of ice.
Ooh.
Holy crap, that little piece of ice, dude.
Hey, how's it going, guys? Don't come up
No,
here.
no, no, I'm not, I'm just...
Oh, fuck.
Oh,
Get-
shit.
Get away, get away. Oh, get back up, get back
Wait,
up.
Rydog, we can talk about this.
Really?
Rydog,
You
don't
wanna
let
try
them near that
You
deep.
wanna try that?
Wait. Wait, no, 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 no.
No!
Oh my god.
Ah! and then you almost killed yourself, Zaxby. Nice job. Oh god. Get the gun, Zaxby. Get the gun.
I'll die of recoil.
Yes!
Wait, what?
Nice.
What happened?
Nice.
I don't even
Love
know.
that gun.
Nice, Sizz. Good
I
job,
just-
No,
Sizz.
no.
I know, I'm pretty toxic sometimes. Oh,
okay.
no.
Yep.
Nope. Oh! One more. No, I ducked! Oh, I'm dead, for sure.
No.
I'm still alive. No.
Right on, you got this. No, you don't. Wait.
He
Where-
shot me
oh,
across
I'm
the-
alive. Oh,
Don't do it.
I can't really destroy the ice though.
Yeah, you can.
Fuck you.
I think.
Oh fuck you. Oh.
Oh.
Oh fuck you. Oh. Oh.
Zaxby literally wasted all of his ammo. You're fine.
Yes, I'm waiting. Shoot me. Dare you.
Wait, there was nothing there.
That's what you wanted,
Your
right?
gun just dropped. Your gun just dropped. I was gonna block.
Oh man.
What? That shotgun's gone.
You
What the fuck?
You can't pick up the
What?
gun.
What?
Oh no. No.
Ah!
Oh my god.
Okay. No. No. No.
Ah! Ah!
Nope. Nope.
Oh, you're not dead. What?
I'm determined to survive. Yes!
Oh.
I shot you 3 times with a shotgun. It just
I know, I'm
just, like, ate
amazing,
the
dude.
bullets like they were gummy bears or something.
Good.
What?
Hell
That's it.
yeah!
Bullets
I
up,
love
boys.
fucking gummy bears.
Ah!
Oh. Shit! Shit! Fuck! Fuck! Fuck!
We'll die first of the bouncing bullets.
Bouncing kill you.
Oh!
What a-
down low.
Wait. Okay, good.
That was cool. Honestly.
Jump shot, jump shot, go, go, go.
No! Oh! 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 Holy
again.
shit! No, no, please don't.
Do it again.
Please, no. I need
Ooh,
it.
Rocket League angles. Come on, Rocket League angles.
No, 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 no. Please, no.
Up, up, right there. Oh, a little higher, a little higher.
Oh!
No, not that high, not that high.
What is happening?
Yeah! I actually went through bullshit. Oh shit. No!
I'm dying. No.
I'm dead.
No. How am I dead? Whoa!
Oh, there was
Oh.
a gun down there that I was gonna grab.
Stunning victory. Well, actually, it's
Wait,
not really that
Zaxby just
surprising for
teleported
Zaxby.
Whoop, whoop. Fuck off, fuck off.
No!
Whoa, shit.
No!
Yes! Fist fight!
He took me the fuck
Yes!
Aw.
out. He literally launched me to the moon.
Fuck this.
What?
Nope.
Wait, you ready? You ready?
Oh, I tried.
Oh, that's one way to get vertical lift.
Wait, how did I not get that gun? Aw, I died.
Oh,
You're done. Once that assault rifle comes
Oh.
out, you're pretty much dead. Yep,
Ah!
knew it.
there's nothing you can do
Dead,
there.
son.
Yeah, it's such a... Okay. Okay. No! Oh, are you fucking serious? Rain, you idiot!
Ah.
What? How did Ryan Dog win?
Incinerated yourselves.
Wait.
Okay.
know what to do
Yep.
this.
Yep.
Wait.
This is-
Truce. No!
Leave me alone. You don't have to do anything.
Why do you guys kill me?
Stop
Oh,
it! Yes! It hit you into the laser. The oldest trick in the book.
Did that just say Vicotory?
yes. Oh shit, not this way.
That said
Wait.
Vicotory, didn't it?
Oh no, oh no! Leave me alone!
We're both gonna die now.
Yep.
You're gonna die now.
Yep.
Oh,
I wasn't really
God.
thinking, it was
I
more of a
almost survived.
panic response.
Oh, okay,
Wait,
yep.
Zaxby?
Bye, guys.
Zaxby,
Bye,
Zaxby,
guys.
Zaxby, Zaxby,
Goodbye.
Zaxby.
It's over.
Oh shit!
How am I still alive? I'm not.
No, I didn't.
Ah.
It wouldn't let me grab onto the wall.
You missed me.
Oh shit,
okay,
embers.
Yep, I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm already
Wait,
dead.
what? How did I die? No.
Oh, Zaxby's. How did you not die, Zaxby?
Oh, damn.
Oh. Mine.
No.
No, no. Oh, okay.
Oh, dead as a hammer. That gun is
Please
so
don't shoot me,
overpowered.
shoot it.
How is it not killing you?
Oh, Zaxby just went through the level. Hello?
The laser was literally on freaking what the fuck? Now you guys are.
Okay, so this is how it ends.
Oh no, there's gonna be stuff that comes down, isn't there?
Nope.
No,
not
not
on
on
this
this level.
It's just this.
Oh!
Do it, right, dog. Do it for the vine.
Do it for green.
I ain't gonna do it.
Do it for the vine.
Ah!
I ain't gonna do it.
Do it for the vine.
I ain't gonna do it.
Do it. Get him.
Chase him back.
Get him.
I'm using you as a shield.
Oh, yes.
No matter what I do, I always die. And
Oh,
then
no.
Sometimes I just win.
This level is
For
actually
no
overpowered. Oh,
You guys both died. Zaxby.
Yeah. It was worth.
Oh, I enticed you to kill me.
Yeah, you did. You were right in the laser.
oh.
I almost got there. Oh.
Nope.
Right, dog.
Nope.
Right, dog.
Nope.
You're
Wait,
approaching this wrong.
Oh,
Dude,
damn it!
Get this.
I didn't think I was that hurt. Oh, no.
It's over. We lost. It's all over.
I'm gonna lag so hard
Oh,
on
leave
this
me
map.
alone! Leave me alone! You don't have to do this. No! I'm dead.
How are you not dead?
What?
Right?
Ooh.
You're
shooting
laser.
that.
Literally took out all three of you
shot
at
me with the
once.
laser. Truce, Mad
What?
Cat?
The barrels
Yeah,
are gone.
truce,
The
truce,
barrels are
truce.
gone.
It's the barrels.
What's
barrels.
happening?
Oh, sorry. I'm sorry.
You good. Okay.
What's happening? I don't know.
Oh, he's got a kniff.
What? Where is Zaxby?
He's got a kniff. Oh dear. I'm through the level. Yeah,
Oh,
I
God.
think I'm pretty much. Nope. Yeah, I'm dead. Oh. What a shot.
I'm dead.
Shit.
No.
Oh.
Come on.
What's happening?
Make it.
Oh!
No. Come on.
Are
Stay
you?
in there.
How?
I don't know, but I'm sticking to it.
Oh, wait.
No. Oh, yes.
Oh.
I came down to hit you. I came down to kill you. That was the worst mistake.
You guys are all dead. If you come anywhere near me, you guys are dead.
Hold on.
I was focused on
Yeah, you got-
the barrels are gone.
Don't shoot the
Oh,
barrels.
God.
Don't shoot the barrels. They'll
The
explode.
barrels are gone. Are you guys kidding me?
I didn't know there were spikes on the edge. Oh no.
Okay.
Oh! What the?
What? How did I just take damage?
I don't know.
You saw that, right? That was weird. Oh, barrels. Oh, barrels.
Yeah.
Leave me alone.
Barrels for days.
Oh,
No.
I'm still alive.
Woo!
I'm still alive.
I just died to nothing. Literally, there was nothing there, and I
Oh
died.
shit. I need my gun.
No, I'm trapped under a barrel.
No!
Oh,
Killed by
God,
splash
that
damage.
was
A
close.
barrel killed me by falling on me instead of exploding. So
Oh,
You guys see how many games we've played?
What?
Oh.
I was in my
Cat.
corner holding
yeah,
my knee.
dude. What's up?
How many times did you hit me on your screen?
Oh, at least 4 times straight.
You only hit me once on my screen.
Then that just
Alright.
proves how good I am, dude. Ah!
Wait, what?
Wait.
I think it proves how much I'm
Standing
lagging.
on my dead
I'm the
body.
king
Maybe.
of the... King of the kill.
I'm
What
just
are
gonna.
you doing? You're just like hopping while you're sitting down.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh,
It's
that
called skill.
kick.
It's called
That
skill.
kick. Oh, okay. Yep. No.
What
no.
the? I almost hung.
This is not how I want it to happen. This is not how I want it to end.
Oh! I didn't realize there were snakes. I'm blind. I didn't know
I'm
there were
literally
snakes.
1v2ing and it's not working out too well. Yeah, I'm dead. Fuck.
Those snakes honestly look like pool noodles. I don't know why.
They look like what?
Pool noodles, you know? The things that float
Oh
on.
yeah.
You're full health, aren't you?
Probably.
Is there an
No, I got a
earthquake
few
going
shots
on?
into
Oh my
him.
God.
Wait, I
Oh.
blocked it!
No, you
I
didn't.
blocked it!
No, you
Can't
didn't.
block bullets. What?
Yes, you can.
can't.
Yes, you can.
This game is on.
Yeah.
Wait. I just
What?
killed myself.
People are teleporting.
Oh, I'm dead.
Oh no 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 no! Oh.
Too many snakes.
I love how many kills Zaxby has just out of pure
Too many
luck and
snakes.
stupidity.
That too.
Well, it's because everyone's freaking teleporting.
Shit, shit, shit! Get off me, you fucking bugger!
Ah! Ah! Don't do it!
No, I'm dead.